Hi, this is Kimberly with Rustic Creations.
I just got out of
I
town
just
from out
got
of town,
back
so
from being
I
out
am
of
not going
town.
to show
So
you what I look like
enjoy
today.
my
So
fun little
enjoy
these
clips of
clips of
here of
me
me being
having
on a
fun on the
swing. I will
swing
do
set.
a regular upload of
Now
me
we're
later.
on to project number 1. So this is a collab of what would you make, and I will talk about that a little bit more later. So here is a wooden rolling pin that I had thrifted, and I'm going to get ready to get it painted, and I'm going to be using black here. I'm going to start doing this for fall. I was inspired by some picture frames that I'd picked up out of Goodwill, and that'll be shown in the reveal. Even though I haven't had a chance to do anything with the picture frames yet, you will see why it inspired me to start doing this with black. So I'm just painting along here. And here I am painting at the very top. I'm trying to be as careful as I can be up there, but I will be painting the handles, so if I do get a little black on it, it won't be the end of the world. That little plastic piece, I've never thrifted a rolling pin that had that little plastic piece in between the rolling pin itself and the handle, so I wasn't quite sure how it would take the paint, but it took it just fine. Okay, here I'm getting ready to paint it, and I'm doing it with metallic, really copper. I can't really remember the name of it, sorry. Okay, I really still have it packed. I thought I edited it
I'm
out
doing
more
this
than that.
at my house. This
Okay,
portion of the
come on
video I
now.
am doing at my house, but
You can't even see.
because, like I said, I'd
I'd
been
been
out
really
of
in
town.
frame.
I did pack,
Just pick
some
away
of
with
this
my
up so I
finger.
could finish up my project.
I am very proud of myself for wearing gloves.
I was gone.
This
because
is
so
black.
beautiful. Oh, I do
Okay,
need
what
to
am I
get
doing
another
here?
bottle. I
Oh.
have a little bit left, but I want to do some more things for fall. I really feel like this is my color this year for fall, is the copper and the black. It's just, I've never decorated with that color before, but it just gives off this like rich, fun feeling. Oh yeah, put those gloves back on, girl, because my hands get so dry because all I do is wash the paint off. And these gloves are from Temu, and sometimes they go on just fine, and sometimes it's like, what? Can't my pinky actually go into it? I'll put it up to my mouth and I blow and make the poof up, like a balloon, up your glove. I think I've seen doctors do things like that on TV, but anyways, it's a joy to watch me in person, I'm sure. My poor husband, he knew what he's getting into before he married me. So here I am trying to be careful around that black and put it on there. But it's so pretty. Okay, isn't that just beautiful? I skipped ahead so you didn't have to watch the entire process of me painting. But apparently I left some in. Have fun. So anyways, let me tell you a story. I was out of town at Mom's house. She lives in the town where I have my little store space. And so I take a tote with me to start crafting while I'm up there for downtime. I just visit with her. She's watching TV and I just craft away. And I keep thinking maybe I should bring a ring light. I won't. I won't do it, but I will. You'll see in some of the projects I am filming with one hand with my phone and trying to craft. So it's not 100% ideal for making YouTube videos, but I still can have fun crafting when I'm gone out of town and still be able to show you things I'm making. This right here, this is a stencil from Hobby Lobby this year, and I got it 40% off, and because I am a part-time Hobby Lobby employee in the summer, part-time, I get the employee discount. So, cha-chang, cha-chang. I have so much fun, and I am very blessed that my husband doesn't make me put all the money into the budget
that I can play and buy my craft supplies. This is just my fun time of the year. And then when school starts, then I'm back to having to be super budgeted. And my paychecks go into the household budget. So I enjoy. This is my third season at Hobby Lobby in the summer, and I love it. Right here, I am stippling ish the best I can. I've never done a stencil on a curved surface before, so this was a little challenging for me, but I figured even if there's a little bleed through, it's rustic, like my name, Crawford Rustic Creations, rustic. Keep it rustic. So I just am going here, and then I'm gonna go around and just randomly do leaves all over the rolling pin. See, look how pretty that is. Ah, that metallic copper. Urgh, I just can't get enough of it. Ah, yeah, I've got more. So the one stencil that came with the 2-pack, the one stencil just had leaves on it. This second stencil, you can see it has the pumpkin, but it had some other different leaves on it, and I wanted to kind of spread the love a little bit and have a little different style. So I love this stencil. I'm so glad I picked it up this year. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. The acorn? No. I was debating. Should I add something else? No. No, no. That's me saying no with my finger. Nope, we're good. Let's keep it the way it is. On to project number 2. Okay, this is a wood round circle from Hobby Lobby. I got it. It's the spring section. I believe this was 16 inches and it cost $16.99, but I did get it at the 66% off. Plus, then my discount. So, yay! I'm gonna battle that sticker. Sometimes they peel off just so nice and easy. And look at me. I'm like, never mind. We'll deal with that later. Let's just get on. So I'm gonna use some of my Dixie Belle black. Okay, what am I doing? Oh, then see, I'm bringing out that metallic copper again. Because I was thinking and debating, what do I really want to do with this? And then I'm like, yeah, that's right. I just did that rolling pin. Yeah, we're going to make a partner for it. So I'm just going to just dump it on there. Who needs to have a separate little plate for your paint? Just get in there. Okay, Kimberly, you know you're going to need more. You should have poured it all out. Okay, for any of you that have ever painted something like this around and it has a lip like that, how absolutely relaxing is that to do these long strokes like this? Another pro tip, if you do buy these, if they come back to Hobby Lobby next summer, I feel like they're there every year. For one, buy them. For two, sand them. They are so rough in the lip area, like right where I'm trying to go right now, and on the top. So definitely get a sand block from Dollar Tree or a zip sander, eater sander, whatever, and really, really get in there because it's rough. See, look at me. I told you, Kimberly. You knew better. Just dump it in there. Look. Well, apparently, I didn't want you to see me finishing painting it. But there I go. I painted the inside lip, the copper. And I'm just going to do the outer rim black, and then I'm going to do underneath black. I feel it looks just so pretty. What are your colors? You should leave me a comment. You should leave me a comment. That's so demanding. You should leave me a comment. No, leave me a comment and tell me, what are your fall colors going to be? Do you always go to the classic, which I will be adding some classic to this, but the main part, I feel like I did the sage green and the blue, and I still really do love those, and I'll probably have some of it in my house somewhere. But in the living room or the kitchen, I'm definitely going to go with these colors. Now these projects I'm making right now, these will be put into my booth. I was going to put them in my booth this weekend, and I took them with me to finish them up at Mom's house, but I left the dishwasher Mod Podge at home. Mom lives 80 miles from me. So I'm like, no, I cannot put these in my booth until I get it sealed first with the dishwasher Mod Podge. So Labor Day weekend, so not this Friday, but the next Friday, Mom will get those into the shop for me. For any of you who are local to where Mom lives and you know who you are, that's when they'll be in the shop. I'm hoping I get some of you guys to be subscribed to my video. If not, grr. Actually, this girl needs to get some business cards. I need to get them made and put into the shop. And then, of course, that'll alert people. But here I go. So fun and so relaxing, but we do not need a 5-hour video, so I'm gonna skip the next part. Ta-da! See? Pretty. And now I'm painting along the outside portion. So, can't even see me really do that part, so we're gonna skip ahead. Oops! This made it in here. I was just diddling around looking at my stash of things I just bought from Hobby Lobby. Now, though, I'll keep this part in here. Remember this moment right here. Do you see those mushroom ornaments? Remember those. I will be utilizing them later on towards the end of the video. Not the wooden ones, but the ones that are already painted red. So, remember those ornaments, okay? Okay, now on to project number 3 and the last project of the video, and then I will kind of showcase what I have done with all the projects at the end. Okay, and don't forget that this is the What Would You Make Open Invite Challenge. It is hosted by Brenda from Rustic and Lace and Christine from Divine Design. Love her new name. And then our guest host is Whitney with Crafty Thoughts and Whatnots. You definitely need to check out their channels. Love these ladies. I am so blessed. Now for this next one, I'm going to be doing that brown bowl, pedestal bowl. I got it at a garage sale and I looked at the photo when I took it and it was in May. And it was actually in the free box. So I did get a toolbox and I got those ice skates. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to play with either one of those. But do you see it's all icky on the inside? I am going to tell you, this thing was the worst thing ever to clean. It does not look like it, but I thought I had recorded cleaning some of it. And after I post this video, like in the next couple of days, I'll be like, well, of course, there's the clip of the video of me cleaning it. Fine, look. See, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how crunchy. It doesn't look bad though, right? It doesn't look that bad. You're like, oh, just still a little scraping. Use a little crud cutter. This is me deciding, oh, should I put a pumpkin on top? What should I do? That would look really cute, right? I thought it wasn't that bad. But when I started cleaning the outside, the gunk on this, I'm like, ugh, I had to clean my pumpkin because it had been touching it. Okay, ignore that you saw that. That is for 100% a different video. Okay, don't look behind the curtain. Now we're at Mom's house. It is clean. I know I put the styrofoam in there so you couldn't see. I did dig all that stuff out, but it is clean in there. This thing, I sanded the bottom. I'm going to end up putting felt, or I don't know what I'm going to do with the bottom yet. Maybe I'll just leave it plain, but I decided I didn't want to leave it just with the black or with that. So I thought, oh, I'll paint it white, or oh, I'll paint it black. And then all of a sudden I thought, girl, copper, copper, copper. Everything looks better with copper this fall. So I'm going to start putting it on. And here I am very precariously holding the phone with one hand and trying to look all professional painting. Da, 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 da. But the transformation of this, mwah, love it. Love it. Have a lot of painting going on in these videos tonight, don't I? Okay, countdown. Do you guys, I have 35 minutes to get this uploaded. Were calling me last minute Lucy. I knew I had this challenge coming up, but I absolutely absent-minded professor forgot that the video was tonight. So I'm so glad I got home so I could get this done. Actually, I had something else planned for this video, but since I don't have all that completed, I want to say I have like 95% of all that filmed. So that will go next month. So I'm excited for next month. What would you make challenge? So I hope you come back and watch that. Oh, I might as well add in here now. Please like and please subscribe. Subscribing is free. It doesn't do anything to you. You won't get a whole bunch of emails or any information at all unless you hit the notification. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll just get a little message saying, hey, Crawford Rustic Designs, Kimberly, has uploaded a new video. And then you can come and watch what I have decided to do. And I hope you enjoy it. If you do, would you please put down in the comments what you liked? Thank you very much. Ta-da! I'm just still painting along. So let's skip ahead. Oh no, I'm going to show you. Am I going to show you in this clip? No. Yes, I am. Oh, not a great angle. But can you see right here, the right is still the wood and the left part? Left, right. Depends on my right. You can see the original wood. And it is so much prettier with that copper. Okay, let's go on to the next. I thought I showed me painting the inside, and I figured why not just
going to be
clean off my brush on top of the styrofoam first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting some florals in, and I am not at all a person who can do this, but I did it, so that means you can do it. The one thing is I didn't have any more Spanish moss with me, so that is something I will take care of at a later time. These florals all came from Hobby Lobby, and so duh! Oh, I forgot. So these candlesticks, where's the clip of that? Urgh. Those candlesticks I got on clearance just the other day at Hobby Lobby for like $2.29 each, and they were just ugly wood. So I painted them black, added black handles to the tray. Do you see that? My husband did that for me. Those are Hobby Lobby handles. Got those when they were buy one, whatever. They're a sale. Anyways, so look at all that together. I'm going to put all that in my booth space, and I am in love. See, I'm showing you. Styrofoam. Ta-da! These copper and black picture frames that I got at Goodwill. I got those a while back, so this was the inspiration. Now, though, I have to figure out what I'm going to put inside those frames. Any ideas? Anybody? See, look at the tray, though, in this picture kind of looked a little orange. I wonder if I should go over it with another coat of copper before I put the dishwasher Mod Podge on it. But I definitely want to figure out something. Obviously, you can see I've not cleaned these. I mean, this next photo frame. Ugh. Of course, I couldn't just do one. I did two. I do not have a vase yet. I have an idea of a glass vase from Dollar Tree. I might put those in. But I did another Hobby Lobby round tray, and I did it black and white. And then I have those other candlesticks, the black and white candlesticks that were just shown. Those were from Goodwill for like $2 a piece, $3 a piece maybe. I rarely ever spend more than $3 at Goodwill. So here is the finished look. I just want to thank you very, very, very much for watching. It really means the world to me, and I'm sorry I've been so absent. It's been just a crazy busy summer. Things have happened, both not so great, but some very great things. Life happens sometimes, but I'm glad that things are starting to settle down so I could be more on a schedule and get things posted up here more. But I just want to say thank you. And isn't it pretty?